Unicorn setup is playing out perfectly on NQ. Showing a lot of strength. Probably going to take out these highs. But I don't really have any targets higher than that. NQ wicked above, back into the 1 hour fair value gap. ES has got a lot of bearish PD arrays in the way. We're diverging pretty hard right now, so if we were to go short, I'm picking ES today. NQ trading deeper inside its fair value gap. We got an inversion, possible inversion fair value gap below. Now, depending on the action, which we're about to find out right now, we trade straight through it. I'm looking for shorts, plain and simple. And I'm going to enter on ES. No, NQ is moving kind of wild right now. Possible entry at this volume imbalance. Put your stop right there. Targeting this swing low right here. Oh shoot, NQ's dropping. All right, we're trading in the volume imbalance. Depending on how we react, I'm gonna market sell. Got filled a little lower than I would have wanted, but that comes with market ordering in. 3-point risk, 7 reward. I'm gonna mark the 5 handle mark of this trade. Still want to hold for the target, but we'll see what price action gives us. I'm liking this midnight open as a target instead. I think we're taking previous day low, but we'll at least take midnight open without retracing too heavy. Nice reaction here out of this imbalance on NQ. Hopefully we show some weakness and ES can start tanking and take out the latest swing low. We wick below the low, and this is not the reaction I want to see on both indices right now. 5 handles right there. And a crazy bounce off the 5 handle and on NQ. NQ is just moving insane. It's looking like a seek and destroy profile. Highs taken, lows taken, and chopping in the middle. So I'm going to move my stop in profit. I don't really like this reaction to this area. And this structure doesn't really give us a reason to trade higher, so I still believe in it. ES making new lows. This is good. This is what we want to see. I am only targeting my original swing low price target. Do I still think it goes for midnight open? Yes. But we could take this, we could retrace, and I don't want to hold through all that, so we should hit this any minute now, within the next minute. There we go. I'm not going to call this one of my quick and easy trades, but I'm happy with my executions, and hey, we made some money. And there is the midnight open target. Just wicked into it. All I would have had to do was wait a few more minutes. Target would have hit. Would have gotten maybe like $150 more. So I'm not really too worried about that. There's always going to be a point in time where you leave money on the table. But the good news is that table reopens on Monday, which I realize that might be bad news for some people too. Here are my executions, my fills. Copy traded on 2 accounts, 360 roughly average, $700, over $700. So I'm done here. I'm gonna edit this video, put it out to you guys, and enjoy the rest of the weekend. That wraps up today's trading. $712 on the day. And I haven't finished that quick since... Never mind. If you're looking to trade futures with a funded account like I do, then I recommend Bulanox and Apex. They're running an 80% off discount right now, which means you can sign up for evaluation for less than $25. I'll leave the codes and links in the description below. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great weekend. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.